Alright, children, join your hands, close your eyes, let's say our prayers. Join your hands, all of you. Our Father in heaven, holy be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us today our daily bread, and forgive us our sins, as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Amen. A very good morning to all of you. Now we begin with our English language revision, children. I hope you got your books with you. Give me a thumbs up. All right. Everybody's got their books with them. That's right. So open to page number 36. Open to page number 36. Let's quickly revise has and have. Has and have. Remember, I told you we use has and have to say something that something belongs to someone. जब हमें कुछ बताना है, किसी को कोई चीज belong करती है, then we use has and have. And has is used with one noun, and have we use normally with the
Good morning, ma'am.
many form of the noun. Good morning. I told you to remember has and have, very
Good
important.
morning, ma'am.
Has and have, very important. Has and have, important topic, and you need to know your one and many. I hope you are revising your one and many regularly. Let's come to page number 36 and revise the exercises that are given there. Page number 36. Some children are still
Good morning,
joining.
ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. We are on page number 36, English language. For those who just joined,
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning. Page number 36 for those who just joined. Ahmad, what happened yesterday? You were not there in class?
मैम नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम थी ज्वाइन कर रहा था नहीं हो रहा.
All right. So children, page number 36, look at the first exercise. Match each picture with this sentence correctly. Some children are still joining. The first picture, you can see a boy is reading a book. Then you can see on the other side, right hand side, there are many children who are reading. So we had matched the sentences with the pictures.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Page number 36, English language. Vani, we are on page number 36. You've just joined. The boy has a toy. We had matched that picture with the picture. That sentence we had matched with the picture where the little boy is playing with a toy. Number 2. The children have many toys. The children have many toys. More than one have. Then we matched it with the picture which is given on the right hand side at the end. Number 3. Imran has a book. Imran, one boy, so has a book. We matched it with the picture on the left hand side. Next, the students have book. The students have books. More than one have. When we are talking about more than one, we use have. So we put number 4 there. Then a starfish has 5 legs. A starfish, one single starfish. We matched it. We put number 5 there. Then the next sentence, starfish have 5 legs. More than one fish. Plural is also fish. Singular is also fish. Now come to exercise B. Exercise B. Fill in the blanks with has and have. Now all of you pay attention. I'm going to call out your names one by one and you will tell me what is going to come over there, has or have. Myra, we are on page number 36. Myra, we are on page number 36. The first sentence, Ashwika.
Yes, ma'am.
The giraffe dash a long neck. What will come there, has or have? The giraffe.
Has.
One giraffe, has. Okay. Vikyat, the next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Clowns dash funny faces. Clowns, more than one.
Ma'am. Have.
Have. H-A-V-E. Have. एक से ज्यादा है, so have.
Have.
Sidra, the next one. He dash short hair. He dash short hair.
Ma'am,
Page number 36. He dash short hair.
He dash
Short hair. Has or have? He, one person.
has.
Has. Okay. Bhavika, the next one. Take your pencil out of your mouth, Bhavika. So straight. An elephant dash a long trunk. An elephant dash a long trunk. One elephant. One elephant has or have.
Have.
One elephant has or have.
Has.
Has. Okay, fine. An elephant has a long trunk. One elephant, so has. Myra, the next one. Penguins dash wings. Penguins. Penguins have wings. Okay. Vikrant, the next one. The boy dashed 3 balloons. The boy dashed 3 balloons. One boy. So has. Has. The boy has. One boy hai. So we will use HAS, has. Remember, I told you, you have to remember one and many. Moving on to page number 37. Page number 37. Aradhya, the first one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Aradhya, the first one. Rahul dash a toy. Rahul dash a toy. Rahul is one boy. So we will put has or have.
Ma'am, has.
Has. Very good. Ashwil, the next one. Ashwil.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Number 2. Look at the picture. वहाँ पे 1 से ज़्यादा लोग हैं. Beena, Meena and Ronnie dash pets. Beena, Meena and Ronnie dash pets. More than one. So we will put has or have.
Ma'am, have.
Have. That's right. Okay, Aditya, the next one. The car dash an. The car, one car is there.
Has.
Has. Okay, that's right. Arjun, the next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Buses dash many seats. Buses
Have.
have. Buses more than one, so have. Have, have. Abdul, the next one. The hut dash
Yes,
one
ma'am.
room. The hut dash one room.
Have.
Has.
Has, ma'am.
Has. Okay. Hania, the next one. A palace dash many rooms. A palace. One palace. So we will put has or have.
Have.
Has. Okay. Rudra, the next one. Rita and Sheila dash many dresses. Now Rita and Sheila are two girls, more than one. So we will put has or have. Rudra. Rudra.
Ma'am, have.
Have, have. Okay, thank you. Mustafa, the next one.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
The next one, number 8. Rudra, you can read this here now.
नंबर 8 बताओ.
Number 8 को sentence करना है. The dog
Yes, ma'am.
dash a tail.
A dog dash tail.
The dog
Ma'am.
dash
Has.
has.
Yes,
Very
has.
good. Okay, very good. Has. That's right. All right. Now fold your hands. Let me ask you something more. Taiba, the next one. Listen to the sentence carefully, Taiba.
Yes, ma'am.
She
Yes,
dashed
ma'am.
a baby cycle.
Yes, ma'am.
She, she dash a
Ma'am.
baby sister.
Ma'am, has.
Has. That's right. Okay. Now let's come to page number 38, doing words. Bhavika, sit straight. And when you yawn, you put your hand on your mouth. Doing words. I hope you have learnt up the definition that I gave you. Children, I hope you have learned the definition that I gave you of doing words. Give me a thumbs up. Have you learnt it? All right. Manvi, I gave the definition of a verb. Did you learn the definition of a verb?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's hear you. What is a verb?
Yes, ma'am.
What is a verb? I told you all doing words, action words, जिनसे हमें पता चलता है क्या action हो रहा है, क्या कर रहे हैं, the noun, the naming words, क्या कर रहे हैं, क्या action हो रहा है, and I gave you the definition.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the definition, what is a verb?
The word you
A verb
have.
is a word. Okay, read from the book. Since you're reading from the book, read. Children, all of you follow. Page number 38.
The words you have just read are called doing words.
They tell us.
They tell us with people, animals, or things do.
Okay, thank you, Manvi. Again, children, on page number 38, you have the pictures given there, and the pictures are showing you some action is being done. Rise, play, shine, read, drive, walk, bark, talk, drink. Remember, I told you to do some actions in the class also. I made you do some actions. Yes, you remember? You remember actions that we did? Clap, all of you clap. Let me see your hands. Okay. Then raise your hand, take it up, bring it down. Okay. Close your eyes. Open. Laugh. Open your mouth and laugh. I can see you all. Yes, that's it. These are the actions that we do. Now we are going to do the exercises that are given here. Now look at the pictures. Exercise B, page number 39. Exercise B, page number 39. Ishi, can you see the first picture that is given there? Exercise B.
Yes, ma'am.
Exercise B. Now you will tell me what action is being done over there.
Ma'am, play.
Play, that's right. Roshni, the second picture.
आज मैं मौसी के घर गई थी, मैं बुक नहीं लेके आई हूँ.
All right. Can you listen? All right. Okay, Shanavar.
Yes, ma'am.
The next picture, you can see the picture.
Singing.
Singing. Okay. Then let's see the next picture, Vani.
Yes, ma'am.
See the next picture. What action is that child doing? Exercise B, page number 39. Sleep. What is that child doing? Sleeping. So the action is sleep. All right. Aban, the next picture you can see.
Ma'am, read.
Read. Okay. Satakshi, the next picture.
Right.
Right. Very good. Arish, the next picture.
Fight.
Fight. Okay. See the children how they are fighting. Now come to the exercises given on page number 40. Shiv, the first sentence, two options are given. You have to pick out the correct option. Gayatri dash every morning. Gayatri, I told you, one person. So, jogs, J-O-G-S, jogs with an S, or J-O-G, jog without an S. Which word is going to fit over there? Gayatri jogs every morning. When you're talking about one, then you put the plural form of it. Jogs. Okay. I think.
Ma'am, which question?
Shiv, you cannot hear me? Okay, children, let's carry on. I think Shiv, there's some network problem. He cannot hear me. Vani, the next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Vani, number 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Revati dash in Kochi. L-I-V-E or L-I-V-E-S. Revati, remember, one person. Yes?
Ma'am, lives.
That's right, lives. Satakshi, the next one. My mother dash in a bag. My mother, one person. So works. Works. Okay, yes.
Ma'am, which question?
Yes, Hania?
Ma'am, which question?
We are on page number 40. We are just revising the exercises. Now number 4. Hania, come on, tell me number 4. My sister dash Hindi. My sister, one person. Options are given, teach and teaches. So it will be teaches or teach. My sister, one person. Teaches.
Ma'am,
Teaches. My sister teaches. When we are talking about one person, so the action word हम जो लेंगे plural form में लेंगे, many form में. Remember that with an S. With an S. And when we are talking about more than one, then we use without an S. Next, Arish, the next one. Akash and Vikas dash Japanese. Speak or speaks? Akash and Vikas speak. That's right. Speak. Okay, Vikyat, the next one. The maid dash the house every day. Clean or cleans? Maid, one person. So cleans, S या without S? ध्यान से सुनिए. The maid dash the house every day. Maid one है. तो options are clean and cleans. Cleans. Okay, fine. That's right. Aditya, the next one. The cat dashed the birds. Chase or chase? The cat, one cat. So the action that she is doing will be chases. That's pronounced as chases. Okay, thank you. Mustafa, the next one. Gayatri and Priya dash in Ahmedabad. Gayatri and Priya, number 8. Gayatri and Priya dash in Ahmedabad. Live or lives? Live. Gayatri and Priya.
Live. L-I-V-E, live.
Okay, very good. L-I-V-E, live. That's right. Okay, Taiba, the next one. Mommy and Daddy dash to office every morning.
Ma'am, go.
Go. That's right. Abdul, the next one. Abdul.
Ma'am.
Granny dash me stories every night. Granny, one person. So T-E-double-L-S or T-E-double-L?
Ma'am, tell.
Single, without S or with S?
With S.
Granny tells. With S.
With.
Okay, Abdul? Children, don't answer out of turn. Abdul, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Granny, one grandmother, so she tells me stories. Tells. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Next, Ahmad. Ahmad, the next one.
Yes, ma'am.
The next one, number 11. Saima and
Yes,
Jenny dash with me in school. Plays or play? Saima and Jenny, two children.
Play.
Play. Okay. Myra, the next one. Myra, the next one. Hurry
Yes,
dash to school every morning.
Ma'am, cycles.
Hurry dash to school every morning. Cycle
Cycle.
or cycles? Hurry, one boy.
Cycle.
Cycles. Okay, cycles. All right, children. Now, let's just come to exercise D, where you have to underline the doing words. Now, I'm going to ask you, you will just give me the doing words in the sentences. Straight, fold your hands. Arjun? Sidra,
Yes,
mute
ma'am.
yourself, there's disturbance. Yes, Arjun. My brother talks very fast. Which is the action word in this, the doing word in this sentence? Dhyan se suniye. My brother talks very fast.
Talks.
Talks. Okay, thank you. Arish, the next
Thank you.
sentence. Pooja plays basketball on Sundays. Which is the action word? Pooja plays basketball on Sundays.
Basketball.
एक्शन वर्ड, किस वर्ड से हमें पता चल रहा है कि एक्शन क्या हो रहा है?
क्या?
सेंटेंस को ध्यान से सुनिए. पूजा प्लेज बास्केटबॉल ऑन संडेज.
Place.
Plays. You have to pick the action word. Pay attention. Vani, the next one. Father
Yes,
comes home at 6:30 p.m. Father comes home at 6:30 p.m. So which is the action word there? What does father do? Father comes home.
Ma'am comes.
Comes is the action word. Okay. Aban, the next one. My sister watches television in the morning. In the evening.
Ma'am watches.
Watches.
Ma'am watches.
Shiv, the next one. Shiv. Ashok drinks milk daily. Ashok drinks milk daily. Shiv, which is the action word there? Sakshi, you tell me. I think Shiv cannot hear me. Sakshi? I think Sakshi also cannot hear me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, can you hear me? Tell me answer. Ashok drinks milk daily. Shiv, which is the action word here? I think there's some network problem. So Ashok drinks milk daily. Which is the action word over there? Aditya, you tell me. I think there's some problem at the end of Shiv.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Aditya?
Drink. Me, ma'am.
Drinks. Okay. Yes, Abdul?
Drink. Ma'am, which page number?
Abdul, I'm asking you exercises that we've done in the copy as well as in the book. So you just listen and answer. Alright? Listen and answer. Alright, Abdul, the next one. The girl dances. Which is the action word? Listen carefully. The girl dances. Which is the action word?
Dances.
Dances. Okay, fine. Alright, children, thank you so much. With that, we come to the end of your English class for today. Thank you. We'll meet again for the next class.
Bye,
Science revision.